Alright guys, we'll make it short and sweet. These T-handle torx bits, get from Harbor Freight. Use 20%. Let's see, you're gonna hit this hole, get this one. There's one right here and one towards the back right here. And then you have to unscrew this. This unscrews this way, like so. Just like a little butcher screw. That comes out. Then once you have these screws out, this pops out. And when you get to this point, there will be a security bolt here. That's Torx, and security Torx bolt here. And there will also be a Torx bolt holding the plug on right here. And security bolts look like this. Let's see, T25 one. They have a little dimple in them. And they have to be these or else it won't work. A new one and the old one. Ew, Caesar, how'd your pubes get on this? Nasty. So I'm putting this new one in. I don't think it solved my problem because look, they still don't blink. What the fuck? Has to be this. Found the problem. It was this sucker right here. Located right here. It's bad. So the way I figured out this was bad is I switched these two. Oh, let me make that shit focus. See, put it in here. This is the flasher circuit. Boom, they work. Take it out, nothing. It's flasher circuit. That is a problemo. And we picked up this new fuse. It's a little bit bigger. And what is this? What is this brand? Novita fuse. All I'm saying is this shit better work. It better be fixed. All right, let's see here. Moment of truth. Yeah. Oh, hells yeah. That's what I like to see. When shit just